everybody? Can you see me? It is a complete whiteout tonight. The wind is just howling. It's snowing hard, it's blowing, and it is just one nasty, nasty night. So I think I'm gonna sign off for right now. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. As you can see, things have settled down considerable from last night. Last night was quite a storm. Very, very high winds and snow. But this morning, although it's still windy and quite cold, the snow has let up. It's supposed to come back later today, but for right now, we're in cleanup mode. Well, snow is held off for most of the day. It's still a little windy, giving us a chance to clear up some of the snow that blew in last night. The weather forecast is for another round of blizzard-like conditions this evening. They're calling for between a foot and 2 foot of more snow, along with still continued high winds. So doesn't look like we're going to be out of this just yet. In this two-part Blizzard Before Christmas video, we've gone from everything from above freezing temperatures, rain, change into snow, change into heavy snow. We had crazy high winds with gusts over 60 miles an hour, zero visibility, wind chill factors down probably close to 25 below zero. We had a state of emergency issued, and today we had a little break, but the storm is not over. As you can see, it's starting to snow again. We're supposed to get about a foot more tonight. I don't know if that'll happen, but the winds have died down, and the blizzard warning expires later tonight, early tomorrow morning. So I think we're past the worst of it. Personally, myself and my family had a relatively easy time of this, but there were several people where I live that had some serious problems, some serious issues, and first off, I hope everybody has a safe time of it, and I'd like to thank all of the emergency personnel that help people out during this type of weather. You guys do amazing work, and it's a city of good neighbors, and all the people that help out their neighbors, and everything that goes with being a good neighbor. So until next time, everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time, and remember, keep on trucking.